here. But it's supposed to be a beautiful day today, so we're looking forward to this car show. Lots of cool cars. Check it all out. So that's just the line to get in, and then they've got all the main street all blocked off. No, you can't. We cannot stand up while we drive. What are you?
No. Why?
You stand up when we're stationary. Yeah. All right. All right. So we're literally right inside Central Park. So right by the bathroom, kids can play. It's a pretty good spot, but like we're off the road, which sucks, but it's still.
How long have we been here?
It feels like we've been here already for hours,
my
right?
God.
This is what absolute devastation looks like. It's Sunday, so of course they're not open. Thing is so loud. It's awesome. Check this bad setup out. Look at this thing. Nasty.